how to move account to another phone without losing conversation on WeChat. So if you want to move WeChat account to another phone without losing any conversation, then what you need to do is, let's get started. First, you need to open up your WeChat application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, you need to tap on the Me icon, which will be on the bottom, and it will take you to your profile section. You need to simply tap on the Settings button. Once you tap on Settings, you will get an option labeled Chat. You need to tap on Chat. After tapping on your chat, you will find two options, which is Migration and Backup and Restore. But if you don't find that option, it might be available on your iOS devices. But if you don't find that option on your chat, you need to go with Manage Chat History. Now here you will have two options, which is Import and Export, and then Backup and Restore. So in our case, we can choose Import and Export. Now here you can import from another phone or import from another device, or you can also export to another phone or tablet or export to a computer. You can just simply go and select Export to a computer or another phone or tablet, whichever you're comfortable with. After that, once you tap on it, it will ask you to select the chats that you would like to migrate. Or it says that you need to log into your computer to continue the migration. So make sure that you've logged into your computer with your WeChat. After that, go with the same process, tap on Export, and then go and select the chats that you would like to export to another device, and it will be exported. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.